Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am hanging out with my BF, my boyfriend, Husky.
Hey guys.
It's just Husky. Or Mike. Whatever. Both are correct. But all of his handles on all social media are Husky.
Yep, it's just Husky.
Husky. On YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, on
Facebook.
Is it on Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook.
Facebook's Husky as well. I'm going to be putting all of his links down below, so if you want to go check him out, please do. Show him some love. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I got a lot of requests from you guys to make a Valentine's Day themed recipe, and so I thought it would be really fun to do so. And one of Mike's favorite desserts are churros.
Love
He's
churros.
obsessed with them. When we go to Disneyland, one time you set a record. You ate 8 of them.
I was 8 churros, yeah, for one
8
Disneyland visit.
churros. That's like $200 there. No.
Well, I can't go on any of the rides because I get severe motion sickness. So I hold everyone's bags and backpacks and
Very
strollers.
sweet.
If you guys are having fun, I need to have fun too. And my way of having fun is eating all the churros.
So today we are going to be making homemade churros. And this recipe is from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. And look how cute they are.
Adorable.
They're XOXO churros. So we're just gonna pipe them into really cute shapes before we fry them. And if you like watching baking videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.
Let's get started. The first step is making the churro dough.
Correct.
Which I have no idea how to do, Ro, so you gotta show me how to do that.
Dang it, Mike. We've made these so many times.
They're a little more complicated than just making a cake.
I feel like you just black out, and then the food's there.
And then I eat it
And you don't
all.
even remember how we got there.
Definitely with the churros, that is the case.
Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is whisk together our dry ingredients. In front of you, there's some flour and baking powder. So just pour the baking powder into the flour and whisk together. And I'm gonna be putting all of the ingredients and the measurements down below in the description. So if you guys wanna follow along at home and make these, you can. I'm also gonna be putting the recipe on my website, and that's just rosannapansino.com. Click under recipes.
The website is super up to date. It's awesome.
Is it?
Oh yeah, we got everything on there now.
We're going now. Now that the dry ingredients are all mixed together, we're gonna let this sit here, just hang out, and in a sauce pot, we're gonna take this over to the stove. I'm gonna have you do the work.
You'll trust me with the
Because
water?
you're gonna eat all of these. I'm gonna be lucky if I get 2 of these. Pour in the water and a little sugar, coconut oil, and then just a little bit of salt. And then we do have 1 egg over here. Don't add it, not right now. We're gonna save this till we come back from the stove. And then Mike, I'm gonna need you to mix it together and bring this over to the stovetop.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. Are you retaining any of this?
I don't think I'm gonna remember any of it, but I can look back at the video anytime
now
I wanna
you can
make
watch
these.
the video.
I can watch me make these to remember how to make them.
And you'd be like, see, I did it once. I could do it again. I could totally do it again.
They say you have to do something like what, 5 times to remember how to do it?
5?
This is only my 2nd or 3rd time,
Okay, we're
so
gonna have to keep baking together. Let me know if Mike should keep baking with me so he can like cook something for me.
oh, I don't know if you want that.
Yes, I do. And frozen pizza does not count.
It's baking, it goes in the oven, you bake it. It's got baking directions on the back.
I mean, okay, that's technically correct. It does bake, but you only made me a frozen pizza. I want something from scratch.
That's the first thing I ever made you, was a frozen pizza.
I mean, then we started dating, so I guess it kind of worked on me.
There's a girl you like,
You're
make her
lucky
frozen
I
pizza.
like food. I literally will eat anything.
DiGiorno, wow, this is
wow, this is so
Lux.
romantic. I actually do like DiGiorno pizza.
I know, it's your favorite.
I do, it's my favorite frozen pizza. But you know, if you guys ever come to Los Angeles and you're looking for great pizza, there's a few places I would suggest. 1, Felix. 2, that other place we went for New Year's.
Mohawk
Bend.
They have vegan pizza.
They do have vegan options there, but just their regular pizza too is
So
good, so fresh. Wow.
I would say it's the 2nd best pizza I've ever had.
Whoa, where was the first?
At your uncle's restaurant.
Oh my gosh, I forgot my uncle. Well, he's also in California, but not in Los Angeles. He's in San Fran.
Yeah.
So if you guys are ever in San Fran, go to Little Italy, North Shore. My uncle has a restaurant right on the corner. It's 2 stories, et tout de quoi, and he makes recipes so good. They are from Italy. He's from Italy. He has a really thick Italian accent. And my cousins work there too, and they are the sweetest.
And tell them Rose sent you.
Tell them Rose sent you, and they will treat you like family. They are so sweet. That food is...
That's the best pizza I've ever
that's
had.
the best pizza I've ever had. Okay.
Okay, we gotta go there after
Uncle's
this.
Restaurant's the first. Felix the second, and then
Ooh, Felix is second.
Blackwood, Burnwood, what's it called?
Mohawk.
Mohawk Bend. What am I? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You know what I've been watching? Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and Father Blackwood is the villain. Oh my gosh.
I can see the connection.
Gosh. Long story. Okay.
Cool, I think I've mixed
Well,
this.
okay, we're ready. Let's go to the stove
All right, we're
now.
gonna take this to the stove too.
Okay, place your pot on the stove and turn the heat to high. Once your mixture is boiling, add the flour mixture and stir constantly over high heat until fully combined. This usually takes about 1 or 2 minutes, pretty quick. Then take your dough back to your baking station. Oh, this smells so good. Oh,
Cookie.
Cookie's cooing over there. Oh, she
Cookie
wants some
to
too.
eat it. They're not ready yet, Cookie, almost.
She loves churros as much as you do.
I know, she's my girl.
Okay, so now we're gonna transfer, and be careful because the pot is hot. We're gonna transfer all of this dough into a stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use an electric mixer in a big bowl. That's fine too. And then we're gonna mix this for about a minute, then add 1 egg. I'll wait till you're done.
I know,
That's very loud.
I'm really struggling over
Very
here.
loud. Come on, Mike, get all that churro dough in there.
I don't want to miss a single churro.
All right, lock that bad boy in place, and then mix it at a medium.
Medium?
For about 1 minute. Yeah. Woo, look at the steam on the bowl. Ow, yes.
So good. This makes me want to go to Disneyland.
I know, we should.
It's been a while. We gotta take Baby Gray.
Yes. Okay, we gotta take Baby Gray to Disneyland for his first time to Disneyland. I promised him for his birthday that I would bring him on the Winnie Pooh ride.
I love that.
Yeah, I think he will.
That's one of the rides I can handle too, so I can be in attendance.
Molly told me that his favorite character right now is Tigger.
And Tigger bounces all over the place, just like Baby Gray.
Boing,
So
boing, boing, boing,
I
boing.
can see why he
and
likes
like
it.
me,
Yeah.
that's probably where he gets it. The wonderful thing about Tigger, the Tiggers are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rubber. Their bottoms are made out of springs. The wonderful thing about Tiggers is I'm the only one.
I'm glad that you know all those words.
Ta-ta for now.
That I do remember.
T-I-double-G-R.
Okay, well you're
Tiggers.
singing and dancing.
Great.
I'm gonna check out this
Okay,
dough.
oh yeah, and then add the egg. Mix for a minute, add the egg. Mix for a minute again. There we go, there we go. Just scrape down the sides. Make sure everything's getting mixed. Lock it and crank it. Boom. I'm so proud.
My
You're
first
doing
churro.
it. This dough is looking good. This is what you want it to look like, consistency. It's still warm. We're gonna transfer it into a piping bag with a closed star tip at the end to get that classic churro shape. So I am gonna go do that.
Okay,
And
deal.
you put this away because that's heavy.
All right, so we've got our churro dough in the bags,
Mm-hmm.
and we've got our little tips on here, so they are ready to go. And in front of us, we have a cutting board with some parchment paper on it.
Yep, little piece of parchment.
What are we doing now, Ro?
We are piping our churro shapes. This is where you can make any shape you want because we freeze them and then they cook that way. So if you wanted to make a little heart, you
That
could
would
do
be
that.
cute.
If you wanted to spell someone's name or do like their initials. So if you just wanted to make classic churros, you just pipe long lines. But today we're gonna be doing X's and O's for kisses and hugs. Kisses, hugs, kisses, hugs, kisses, hugs. Like that. In the piping bags, we have churro dough and then a closed star tip at the end. The one I'm using here is a 2D, but you can use any closed star tip to get that look, to get those ridges. Just like this, are you watching?
I'm studying, I'm taking notes before I attempt
we're
it.
doing little ones so they can cook really good, okay? So look at that, doesn't that look like a churro?
Wow.
It has that nice classic shape. Boom. And then we're gonna cross right over the top for the X's. Wow. Boom. And then we're gonna do an O. And we're just gonna make as many of these as we can.
That one looks so cool.
Isn't that neat? Oh, look at that. Woo! Okay, Mike, your
Okay.
turn, your turn.
Okay.
Oh, these look great. And they're a little sticky, so to get them off, just put a little pressure and push them right off of there.
I'm not mad at my first one so far.
No, that looks great.
Okay, now he's super lopsided.
That's okay.
But you know, for my first one, we'll take him.
That's pretty good.
Oh,
That's
man,
not too
a
bad.
A circle.
But also, Mike, when I tell you sometimes I can't read your handwriting,
Yeah.
now you know what I'm talking about sometimes. You remember when you wrote me a note? I couldn't read one word.
Yeah.
And I was like,
And we
what?
just don't
You're
do
gonna
that
have
anymore.
to just text me because I can't read that note. Typing is a talent.
Yeah.
If you guys want to know fun fact, Mike has a really fast typing speed, the fastest out of anyone I've ever met. When he types, it's like this.
Yeah.
This is what it sounds like.
I can type like maybe 130 words per minute if it's easy words.
I think you can do more than
If
that.
it's-
I think you're being very humble right
Maybe.
now because I think it's faster than that. I'm gonna time you because it's fast.
Here, I'm gonna complete your X because we complete each other. So,
Oh, Mike, shut up. That was so sweet.
But I'm also the lopsided half of this relationship, so it kind of.
Oh, Mike, that's so cute. Okay, these are ready. We're gonna pop these in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna take them over to the stove.
Our churros have frozen, and we took them out, and you can see they held shape. Ro made another little batch of
I
these.
piped some more because they were a little uneven.
But this is what they look like when they come out of the freezer.
And
this,
they hold their shape.
Yeah, you
So-
can actually pick these up.
Look, I'm gonna pick one up just to show you that they need to be cold enough to really hold their shape. All right, so you ready for this?
I'm so
This
ready.
is gonna take dough into a churro. Are you
Churro.
ready? This
From
is
dough
like,
to churro.
This is gonna be your favorite.
I'm
Okay, so we're
excited.
taking these over to the stove. On the stove, I have a big pot of vegetable oil, so be careful. Working with oil is very hot.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want it to splash, it will burn you. Heat the oil to 375 degrees and place the desserts into the pot. Let them cook for 2 minutes on each side. Then remove with a large slotted spoon or some tongs, whatever you have around the house, and bring it over to a baking sheet with some paper towels to let the extra oil absorb. After the excess oil has dripped off and they're still warm, take a churro and dip them into the sanding sugars. I'm dipping the X's, the front and the back, into the red sanding sugar and then placing onto another sheet and dipping the O churros into the white sanding sugar, front and back, and then placing them onto the sheet. Smell this, Mike?
I want
Smell
them.
this.
I want them.
These are fresh, right off the stove.
Yeah.
So be careful. These ones are still hot. Now these ones I gave some time to cool, but ta-da! Here are the XOXO churros that we made today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And Mike, you did a great job. So I can see you just eyeing these. You're not
That's
even
all I'm
looking
staring
at
at.
me. You're just
The video
staring
is
at the
great,
food.
but I'm just looking at the food.
All right, so let's test one. Whatever one you want.
Okay, I'll eat a
Let
circle
me know if you
churro.
like my recipe, because I know you like the pineapple ones I made. I
Oh,
made
those were
pineapple
so
churros.
good.
I'm gonna link to that. That's
Yeah,
another video you
yeah.
have to watch. Okay, and I'm gonna try the X ones. Look at that, XO.
Cheers,
Cheers.
XOXO.
Happy Valentine's Day. All right, ready? Oh my gosh. Yeah,
And they're still warm and soft inside.
fresh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. These are all of ours now.
You got red stuff all over your mouth.
Oh yeah? Oh, you mean this red stuff? Oh, you mean
That's a
mean
great
this
lip.
red stuff? But you have it on your lips too. Okay. I just took another bite.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mike, these are yours.
Thank you.
These will be mine.
Okay.
I'm proud of you. You did really good.
Thank you. And these are surprisingly easy to make. If you guys have never made churros before, maybe make them with a friend because they are a little
Just
complicated.
be careful with the hot oil on
Yeah.
the stove. Everything else easy.
But they're really fun and cool to make.
Big thank you to you guys for suggesting a Valentine's Day themed recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed making it. Mike is going to enjoy eating it.
Every
if you
single
want to
one
go
of
follow
these.
him, I'm putting his links down below. It's Husky on everything.
Pretty much everything, yeah.
Yeah, go show him some love. Like Valentine's Day is just around the corner.
Yeah.
So that's the perfect time to do so.
And you've warmed me up to Valentine's Day a lot.
Yeah.
I didn't partake usually in the past, but
no,
with stuff
he
like
really
this.
messed up our first Valentine's Day.
Oh, great. That's
That was a big one. Somebody ended up eating Chinese food alone watching Merlin. That was our first Valentine's Day together. Mike has been a lot better since. It was
Pretty
a great
fun.
night, but it was not romantic at all.
But we're much better now.
Yeah, much better now. We started from the bottom, and now it's
Now we're slightly below the middle.
It's better. We're here at 4'10". All right, thanks again for watching. If you like watching baking videos, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys have a very happy Valentine's Day, whether you're hanging out with family or friends
Or by yourself.
yourself. You
That's
could have
okay.
a Valentine's Day, or you have a boo, you have a significant other, whatevers. We're wishing and sending you a lot of love. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or you can click up here.
Yeah, let's put a churro video in here.
We should.
Maybe the
We've had-
pineapple one. The pineapple one.
Yeah, there's been several churro videos. This one is
Pineapple
delicious
one
though.
is so good. This recipe is better than Disneyland's. But
It's
I love
true.
Disneyland.
It's
Spreading
true.
love. Bye-bye.
Bye.